Hello everyone, this video is from Preeti Academy International School for Standard 7th Subject Maths. We are starting with chapter number 2, that is fractions. Exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Write each of the following fractions into lowest form. We have to write the fraction into its lowest form. First, 18 upon 48. So first we are going to find the factors of 18 and 48. So factorizing the 18 divided by 2, 9, divided by 3 is 3, 3 ones are 3. Next 48, factorizing the number 48, 2s are 24, again dividing by 2 comes 12, again dividing by 2, 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3, and factors of 48 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 18 upon 48 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 upon 4 times 2 into 3. 2 2 gets cancelled, 3 3 gets cancelled. So in numerator there is 3, and in denominator 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the fraction is 3 by 8. The fraction is 3 by 8. Second, 120 by 168. The given fraction is 120 by 168. So again we are factorizing 120, dividing by 2 comes 60, again dividing 60 by 2, answer is 30, again dividing by 2, answer is 15. Now 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Next, factors of 168, dividing by 2, it's 84, 84 divided by 2 is 42, 42 divided by 2 is 21. Now dividing by 3 comes 7, 7 ones are 7. So factors of 120 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and the factors of 168 is equals to 3 times 2 into 3 into 7. So 120 upon 168 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and 168 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So these all numbers are cancelled. So my final answer is 5 by 7. Final answer is 5 by 7. Next, third, 45 by 180. 45 by 180. So first we are going to find the factors of 45. 3 15s are 45, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. 180 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, comes to 90. 90 divided by 2 is 45. 45 divided by 3 is 15. Again dividing by 3 comes 5. 5 ones are 5. So the factors of 45 is equals to 3 into 3 into 5, and factors of 180 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 45 upon 180 can be written as 3 into 3 into 5, and 180 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So cancelling both the 3's and 5 in numerator and denominator. So numerator becomes 1, and in denominator 2 into 2 is 4. So the simplest form, the lowest form of 45 by 180 is 1 by 4. Next, 180 upon 108. Again factorizing 180 by 3, 27s are 3 into 27 is 81. Again applying the table of 3, 3 3s are 3 9s are 27. Again by 3, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Next, factorizing 108, dividing by 2 comes to 54. Again dividing by 2 comes 27. Dividing by 3 comes 9, dividing by 3 comes 3, 3 ones are 3. So the factors of 81 is equals to 4 times 3, and the factors of 108 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it can be written as 81 upon 108 is equals to 4 times 3 upon 2 into 2 into 3 times 3. So cancelling the 3 times 3, we get in numerator 3, and in denominator 2 into 2 is 4. So the lowest form of 81 upon 108 is 3 by 4. The lowest form is 3 by 4. Question number 2. Convert each of the following into mixed fraction. We have to convert each of the following into mixed fraction. First, 16 by 3. How to convert a given fraction into mixed fraction? It's very simple. The rule is you have to divide the numerator by denominator without using a decimal point. So we are dividing 16 by 3. So 16 divided by 3, 3 5s are 15, and remainder is 1. Quotient is 5. So always to convert the fraction into mixed fraction, you have to write here quotient, that is 5, here new remainder, that is 1, and here divisor, that is 3. So 16 by 3, on dividing 16 by 3, we get 5 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. So 16 by 3 can be written in the mixed fraction is 5, 1 by 3. Next, second, 32 by 7. Again dividing 32 by 7, 7 4s are 28. So the remainder is 4. So on dividing 32 by 7, we get 4 as the quotient and 4 as the remainder. So 32 by 7 can be written as 4, 4 by 7. Here it is always written quotient, here remainder, here divisor. Third, 243 divided by 13. 243 divided by 13. So 243 divided by 13. First 13 ones are 13. The remainder is 11. 3 comes to down. 13 8s are 104. The remainder is 9. So on dividing 243 by 13, we get 18 as the quotient and 9 as the remainder. So it can be written as, that is quotient is 18, remainder is 9, and divisor is 13. So the mixed fraction is 18 9 by 13. Thank you everyone.